Hello. For this problem, we're going to look at linear depreciation. So linear is our main focus. And for tax purposes, many companies use a linear depreciation model to estimate the value of equipment and spread out the cost over a number of years. So we are told that this particular X-ray system is 3 years old and it has a value of the 74,250. So 3 years old is connected with the 74,250, and so these guys are connected. However, with the speed that technology upgrades, it is estimated to be worth this 5,750 when it is 5 years old. So again, there's a pair of numbers that are connected. So what I need to first think through is which is going to be my X and which is going to be my Y. And so as I think through this, X comes first, and so I have to know its age before I can figure out its value. And so X is going to be the years, and the value is going to be the Y. And so my two ordered pairs, I'm going to write them up at the top here. My first one is 374,250, and my second one is 557,750. And my X is years, and my Y is money. So then it asks me, how much does the value of the machine drop each year? So this word each I could understand as per, so drop per year. So understanding that this is asking me per year, this is asking me a rate, this is asking me for M. So I'm going to use my slope formula. I know that it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And so plugging in my numbers, my y2 is 57750, my y1 74250, my x values are 5 minus 3. And so doing that math, I do get a negative 16500, and that's over 2. And so dividing that out, I'll write it down here. My slope is negative 8250, and that is dollars per year. And it does ask me how much it drops, so getting that negative is not unexpected. And I can even see that as I read through the problem, the value is going down. Now it asks me, how much did it cost originally? Well, that originally means that this is asking me for the start, so this is asking me for B. So in my y equals mx plus b model, I know that I have the slope, and I know that an ordered pair fits in there for x and y. So taking that model, I used my first ordered pair. So I used this guy. So where the y is, I wrote 74250 equals, and where the m is, I put my slope, negative 8250, times my x, which was 3 years, plus b. And so the first thing I did is I did the multiplication. So I have 74250 equals negative 24750 plus b. And then one step of algebra, so I need to add this 24,750 to both sides. These guys cancel, and I have B is equal to $99,000. Expensive piece of equipment, but it's medical equipment, so we're not surprised. So write our equation. So then when I write my equation, I'm just filling in both the slope and the starting amount, the B. So y equals a negative 8,250 x plus the 99,000. And then it asks me, when will the machine be valued at $0? Well, that is a money, so that is a y, and so I'm going to put that into my formula for y. So 0 is equal to negative 8,250 x plus $99,000. And I do have a couple steps of algebra. I always have to undo this addition first, so I will subtract 99,000 from both sides. And so that's pretty easy math. So negative $99,000 is equal to negative 8,250x. And I finish by dividing, so I divide by negative 8,250 on both sides. And that gives me that x is equal to 12 years.